Do you know what the heliocentric explanation for seasons is? Why is it winter?
Actually, no.
So they tell us that the Earth is tilted, and when the North is tilted away from the sun, the sun spreads over a bigger area, so it's colder. Mm-hmm. And when we're tilted towards the sun, it's more direct sunlight. That's what they teach us in school. Now, maybe that's ringing a bell.
Yeah.
Do you know that in our northern winter that we're 3.5 million miles closer to the sun than we are in our summer? In the heliocentric model, they don't teach it in school, but that's in the model, that we're actually closer, but it's the angle that matters, not the distance.
Earth is 3 million miles closer to the sun around January.
Yeah. So it's the tilt, right? The full explanation is the tilt, not the distance.
The difference is 3% of Earth's distance. Average orbital distance from the sun. 3%.
Yeah, so it's the tilt that matters. So when you tilt the ball away from the sun, the top half is the sun is spread out, and you can say, okay, that's less heat.
When it's winter for us, we're tilted what, away?
We're tilted away from the sun.
What's tilted towards it? Central America?
Yes, the southern part of the globe is tilted towards it. So if you had a basketball, I could tilt the top of the basketball towards the sun, or I could tilt the bottom of the basketball towards the sun.
Yeah.
Right?
But is it hotter?
They say when it's tilted towards the sun, that's when you have your summer. But that doesn't make any sense, because here in Connecticut, in June, I can go out on the Long Island Sound, and when the sun appears on the horizon, you would call that the most tilt possible. It's an 89-degree tilt, or not just the little tilt that they talk about. And I could feel the sun blasting on my face. I can feel the heat. I can get a suntan. Mm-hmm. The sun is farther away. It couldn't be at any more obtuse of an angle, but I can feel the heat. Then 6 months later, in January, I could look up at the sun at noon, where the sun is at its highest point for the day, let's say 50 degrees, not on the horizon, and I can not even feel the heat on my face. And it's 3 million miles closer. Mm-hmm. Closer, more direct angle, no heat. Worst possible angle in June, tons of heat. Makes absolutely no sense.